everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. Thank you so much for stopping by. It's Celeste here. If you love drawing and doodling and just playing around with shape and color, this is the place to be. So please remember to hit the like and subscribe button and support my channel, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much. But to jump into today's video, I bought some this is a bit too close up, but this is a whole sort of package full of this sticker paper, and it is a shipping label actually. So it's matte. It's not that sort of vinyl shiny paper that people usually make their stickers out of. This is just a shipping label, so it's almost like they've taken some printer paper, matte printer paper, and put it onto a sticky background like this, and they work really great on your printers. So some of these stickers that I'm going to show you, some are printed and some are the original, and I honestly am having a hard time remembering which one is which because they printed so well. I think this top one is my original and the bottom one is my printed one, because I think my printer ink is not, it's not the paper. I think it's my ink, and I think it's my printer that doesn't represent the color very well. So they are my little monsters, my little triangle shaped monster. And then I have this little robot guy that I thought was cute. These are so easy to make and so fun, and I'm going to draw some with you. So there's those guys, and then I have my gym going monster with his leg warmers and wrist warmers that are just so funny. And then I thought, what if I elevated it just a little bit? And what about if I put some googly eyes, different size googly eyes, because they're monsters, they don't have to be the same size, on the sticker after it's been printed or colored, whatever you decide. That I thought was so cute. So it makes it look quite a bit different if you look at the two together. I purposefully left one without the googlies just so you could see. And here is my little princess, also with her little googlies. She's a cutie pie. So these are going to be great if you are maybe wanting to put together a little party pack. Oh, I'm losing an eye. Oh, I didn't glue that down properly. Oh dear. Okay, so I'm gonna have to glue that. Maybe I didn't glue it. Maybe I just forgot to glue it. Okay, so there are those two guys. I feel like this one looks like a piece of toast. Don't you? I honestly think it looks like a piece of toast. All right, so I'm gonna quickly glue this eye down because I don't want to lose it in all my organized chaos here. And I'm just using a little bit of Eileen's. It seemed to work well with the others. Don't know quite why this one came undone. Me I knocked it. Maybe I didn't glue it at all. I don't remember. Okay, so those guys glue down, and let me move them off to the side, especially this little, my toast man. Yes, it could be a toast. No, it's probably a toast lady because of the hat. Toast person. There we go. Our toast person. And I'm going to, I just freehand this, you guys. I don't really think too much. I'm doing a very loosey-goosey little shape. Maybe I'm thinking of a cookie at that stage. Maybe this one, I'll go down here somewhere. Maybe it's more of a square. Maybe I'll do another little robot guy. Okay, so then the eyes. Maybe I'll finish this first one. I'll put eyes in. Cookie eyes, like that. I don't want to make an angry one. I don't like angry monsters. So I'll just make a surprise monster. And then some nostrils. And I like friendly monsters. Maybe some cheeks, like that. I can come back and do the legs afterwards. Here, this is going to be, oh, let me get back into frame. So the eyes can be different since it's a robot. How's that? Yep. Does a robot have nostrils? Yes, square ones. And oh, there we go. Weird, but that's okay. All right, so I have chosen 2 colors. I have a fluorescent coral red and a deep violet, these 2 guys. So let's go with the deep violet for our monster. And I'm going to sit down for this just so that I can see what I'm doing. And the light again, you guys, it is gloomy. But we'll see. Maybe I can do some editing and see if I can get some light contrast when I do some editing of the video. But I should have done this video yesterday. I had really nice natural light coming in, but I had to go out, and by the time I got back it was too late. So all right, so I'm just going to do a basic outline around my pencil markings, and then I'll color the rest in. So as you can see, it's very, very loosey-goosey. I am not, I'll use the fine tip here to go into these smaller edges. I'm really not paying attention to any kind of symmetry, which is probably why I like my monsters so much, because symmetry is always hard for me. I don't know what it is. It's like my eyes are, I don't know what it is. It gets me every time. So drawing anything like a butterfly with, you know, the wings have to look the same on each side. It just, yeah. My brain doesn't work in symmetry, guys. So these monsters are perfect. I think if I were to look at these little guys and think what I want to use them for, I think they could look really nice, like I said before, in a little party pack, perhaps just as little giveaways, because they're super inexpensive to make. Oh, I will put the link to this printer paper, to this I guess shipping label paper, sticky paper. I got it on Amazon. There are 30 sheets, and they are these 8.5 by 11 inch sheets, so kind of like almost like a A4 size. For right now on Amazon, as of today, which is April 25, we are looking at $5, guys. Super inexpensive, 5 buckaroos for 30 sheets. But once the special is over, I think it goes up to $7. Still, I think for what I'm doing here, really, really inexpensive. Because sticker paper can be a little pricey, but that's usually the vinyl. And I know that I could buy this paper if I wanted to go bananas, into like a production line. I think it was $40 for a box of 500 sheets. So if you were thinking about doing this on a larger scale, for anybody who maybe does do stickers, or maybe wants to do coloring in stickers for sale at a craft fair, or if you are just doing it for yourself or your family, then you know, or you just buy in bulk for future use, which I'm really thinking about doing because I really enjoy this. I'm doing some other sticker sheets and I'm using this paper for that, so I think I might be going ahead and with the bulk order. But for now, I just tried it out. That's the other nice thing, is that being able to buy the $5 pack was great, because I could try this paper out first and see if it works for me. So I will put, like I said, I will put that link to Amazon in the description of this video, and then you can maybe check it out, see what you like. It's not an affiliate link. I don't have an affiliation, so it is just me telling you where you can get this paper. Okay, alrighty, so there we go. We've got them both colored in really, really fast. There was no real thinking on shape. I was just thinking monsters. Let me see if I can get both of these. Oh, maybe not. All right, I'll work on the top one first, because it's a monster. The pupils can be all over the place, so this is like one confused looking monster. And everywhere that I had a pencil line, I'm using my 1.0 Uniball pen, this guy, and I am just covering where there was a pencil line. There we go. And either this monster is going to be toothless, or I'll just give him one tooth. How's that? Yeah. All right, and I'll do an outline on the outside as well. So I may not be super accurate here, guys, because my head is not here. It's like over there. I'm working at an angle, but when you guys are working on your own, you'll see. Okay, so now let's see, arms and legs, right? And if we can give this monster a little bit of a hat. I think I'm going to do more of like let's do like a beanie hat with a bonbon tassel thing. And I can probably color that in. I'm not being super accurate, guys, so please excuse me if I do go over the lines. I can bring in my black marker just now to fill in some of these, but I will give it a little bit of a stripy pattern to the hat. It's either going to be a holiday hat or a floppy beanie, or maybe this is the hat that this monster wears to bed. All right, I'm going to keep everything very simple little legs and little shoe like that. And here's the kneecap, which is also backwards, elbows, and to keep it nice and simple, there we go. Now, I don't put googly eyes on the original. I'll photocopy this, and if I want to put a googly eye on this guy, I will do it on the copy, because that way I have options to either have it with the googly eye or without. Here we go. I'm just putting a little shoe, and maybe these have little bows on them. They look like slippers. Okay, I've decided this chappy, he's off to bed. He's got his sleeping cap on and he's got his slippers on. I laugh at my own jokes. All right, so here we go. It looks more like almost like a Halloween, so maybe we give him some square pupils, right? It's almost like a little pixelated little monster. And because this is such a dark purple, maybe I can do a white eyebrow with my white Uniball gel pen, like that. And maybe he also has little dimples. Why can't a robot have dimples, right? Okay, and then again, just like with the previous one, I'm going over all my pencil lines with, oh, there goes Kaya. She's probably barking at something or somebody walking outside, or the cats from next door. She is so territorial. It's okay. All right, so I will move as quickly as I can. You guys, this is just honestly a fun little doodle project that you could do with family. I'm thinking that if you would, you could do flowers like this. Let's also do, go elbows, and this monster has really long arms, because why not? And maybe short legs. So cute. Okay, no, these need to be maybe I should go with a square theme and keep it square. It's almost like little flippers. All right, and then I can copy this, cut them out, and I have, all right, we'll do knees that are at the back, because why not? It's a monster. And there it is. 2 little monsters all done. There's our first one. I'll do a quick little flyby, and you'll see our little sleepy monster, and then our little robot monster. Okay, you guys, so I hope this is something that you might want to try. It's super fun, super easy. I don't know how many of these guys I'll fit in here, but I will try. There's one. Let's do a googly eye. This one has a googly eye, and you'll see. Okay, I am off to go and photocopy these and cut them out and make some more. We'll see you next time. Thank you for joining me. Bye.